Making a video comparison Corsair Strafe versus 1STPLAYER Blackstar mechanical keyboard, we already know who takes the lead. The keyboard that I'm reviewing today is the Blackstar from 1STPLAYER. It doesn't have a black lid and it doesn't have a whole bunch of features. But they do have a black lid version and it is very nice, in fact. You should check it out. The comparison that I am doing today is not about what keyboard has more or less features. It's about how the keyboard feels when I'm gaming or using the keyboard in general. The layout of the keyboard is nothing out of the ordinary, simple as that. You do have to use the FN keys to adjust the volume, skip or forward when listening to music or watching a movie. Not a big deal though, as the Strafe it's the same, but to be honest with you, it's kind of inconvenient. We are in 2015. The bottom of the keyboard does have anti-slip pads and two razors if you want to raise the back of the keyboard. The USB cable it's sleeved black. One feature that I like about this keyboard is that you can route the USB cable underneath it, either to the left or to the right. When you buy this keyboard, it includes the manual as always and a key remover to remove the keys if you want to. Alright, it's time to do what I really want to do. I want to compare the Cherry MX red mechanical keys of the Corsair Strafe versus the KAILH, is that how you say it? KAILH? Black switches of 1STPLAYER Blackstar mechanical keyboard. So let's get to it and enjoy this glorious sound. Bonus clip. How does the sound compare with the fire dancing white luxury mechanical feeling keyboard?
It feels like a real mechanical keyboard.
Full details of this keyboard and the specifications is going to be down below in the description. Like I said, comparing this keyboard versus the Strafe, I find no difference in the feel of performance of the keys. Don't forget that they also have the backlit version. If you're interested in buying a keyboard and if you're looking for a mechanical keyboard and don't know what to get, let me tell you something, guys. This keyboard right here is bang for the money. It's a good entry level, and if you want to save money and have good performance of a keyboard, well, right here you're looking at it. Don't think about it twice. Creeper24 approves. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to check out my website. Don't forget to check out my gaming channel as well. I'm going to be uploading gameplays, commentaries, such and such. And don't forget to check up 1stplayer.com, the sponsors of this video. Thank you guys for checking out my video. Thank you for the like. Thank you for the dislike as well, it still counts. Don't forget that I'm going to be uploading more tech videos. I'll see you guys next time.